Aga samara 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 ya danga dinga baba kunjo sunje kai dembe doje ndage bachi cho tanje shene goro yeso yere donda je je shewana daba roje buson so ende de Tado dani jo na jo sama kanoma chancho samba dani chi chama tado dani hero kara jene kobo chola kobo je sanje tado dani jo chi na jo sama kanoma chancho samba dani Dani hero para juni suje o jola goba ches Dani dani najo sama kanu chajo samba dani che Simje thamje hero ge Vende de la doje sama yu kumo yu jaja ru dan yu jaja me yu le dusi ka ve ju ba ve jamara joro Sava sedeme bayaza sava kama sedeme. Ha 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 ho. Asamaya sedo. Rala deme rangi kosun. Kosun to yerme chego. Nenjo mara juro oma kendaro. Oma sava shodo sava dama. Mubanya do juro domba yamle lora le me alemi on ka atama ho na le de ma shanga yigite da ge sambalo yo me bagete jo juro de da ge de do kule jiro todo da vajam de do ya se je chima su se so ne ba o ma a Çocuğu diye şey var, çocuğu Düzü kunene me mambu başı be vacı oma o be oma soba başı be oma ne dojuro dombe mane kamle tebe nona cenado Raje do ye no başı ze susu no başı çele sabah meve de başı başı Umara gamba Mezabü, mezadüvan, 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 Oğle olması bağışıdı sağlığa. Kumbanya dojura dongamale yanır. Aca huana ledüze mağlama. Nishanga yegede dage sembalo yo Showa juro de dage dindo hunu Dojen do juro de dindo yansi chuma suzi zine Choje de shigo dambo da ne juma Mambo bashin bava jo huma huma Heme Naja mala durma şuradan çeten cumhur sojuko ceja ya dojo zeje bugu tomu çöran düşür on beza arale hoza homa on beza arale hoza homa on beza arale hoza homa şama ho Kaga kayda sava ya jara jasa buda buda bisha sama da ava mara maza ne ne ya da yama male garde sama ya reshen da mama sava sedi mama ya seda ya da ba ya be ba ta ziga ta ma de kama da mama sava kada se su kam bishuda sai ka ba no ho be be so mama kaga kayda sava ya jara jasa buda buda bisha yama da ava mara maza ne ya da yama male garde sama ya reshen da Ya deva ne zgada deva Sagabada mishuda samada hum Soha Yukine sabare Karagambadi bibi duvan Sabare vara uma Yishimade bufuni Chinye doje kanuma Jine javeriyo Jine nama şase Yine canu şükrezgeci Omen şenan hececeyo Şişin Neze şebe rama murama Nece da geçirdi Çenesin yen tomberan zedi Gebeden acı rostamada Tuvalıyor Daha geçti tasayım Gece nace kamu misude imadana nega Hero gave joje jabode doje somo yivedi La ben doje sumbedi vech uri bishakarena Tube mocho doje jabo bache na sumbedi vechi Kaje chuge ruja daje konveli na jive Nasona keyin so chiba Vale na ruda bache Dajan kajo game chunduti Kajo lama chuge Jichen San Tenyo La Sochi, Nanjo Dagi Hasan, Kache Gamen Zong Shenyo To Sho, Nanjo Medada Sinje Tanjire Wakashi Do Chema, Jiden Da Jiden Le Debe Mudu Mayu Bazo Suji, Baba Kacho Do Cheba Zedo Suji, Jiden Da Jiden Le Debe Mudu Bazo, Jiden Do Jene Jema Dada Sinje Tanjire, Zedo Suji, Jiden Da Jiden Le Debe Zedo Su, Ahun Ahoji, Oma Ahun Ahoji, Oma Ahun Ahoji. Uzi Shi No Chu Ujin Kanju Porani Pe Do Chu Da Wei, Jie Zhang Jia Do Ju Zi Wu Di Ne Ju Zhang Di So Zha, Gera Da Gera Da Gumu Gumu Kui Pin Su Shi Shang Shan Adi Badi, Bali Da Ka 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 Yi, Gera Da Gera Da Gumu Gumu Kui Pin Su Shi Shang Shan Adi Badi, Oma Gera Da Gera Da Gumu Gumu Kui Pin Su Shi Shang Shan Adi Badi, Bali Da Ka 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 Yi Ka Yi, Shi Shang Shan Adi Badi Ma Bi Sha Zan Badi, Agam Badi Bi Bi Do Ba Alo Ge, Gera Da Gera Da Gumu Gumu Kui Pin Su Ha Oma Tabe Bojane Nana Tude Chubedo, Penson Goje So Do Jipuru, Ame Deva Kotini, Doka Somo Naro Yamadi, Mase Baga Yinje Semun, Konde Kunje Damo Yinshu, Mason Damo Mamon Katuzo, Yinche, Sava Seda Ha Guru, Singale Na Dishikane, Dalane Na Kau Jadune, Shijo, Chuje Na Bujo Lizu, Doji Denda Beje Sayeda, Naze Na Baden Saje, Zema Pama Yinje, Chama Rosi, Jara Bonso Na Rotare, Dana Lasoni, Neje Jale Yinche, Yende Shinzo Kashu Purani, Jama Yere Den Son Koje So, Nejo Pujin Shunga Tuze, Doji Shojen Koje, Laye Kansan Dabo, Rama Sembo Chunde Nejo, Neje Sembo Chembo Siram, Koda Java Nejo, Cheba Wojan Kanu Yuna, Rajen Neje Neje, Deva Kanu Yongo Dui, Dava Nejo, Solo Chodo Joyo Den Sonso, Roso Den Lamega, Vedo Kolo Nejo, Nimbe Sidi Nejo, Sharamashi Jimmy Thomas, Zago Nevera Dato, Ashan Ali Romo Dai, Tana Pension. Yang Jamaru Shu, Samaya Manabalaya Yuva, Shirian Puru, Samaya said, Ene Java, Egon Bubis, Chevana Chavaya, Dagi Jimmy Shiva, Shiva Narani, Latimeji, Banarani, so Shiva, Agene Nasunda Vechimbuji, Deva Om Pam, Tojipama Niva Hanyam, Karashimo, Gamuja, Java, Chizodo Hong, Yala Tangela Pepe, Oma Somebody Suma Hong, Oma Giana Hong, Oma Giana Baya, Oma Anaya Obama Bazar Hong, Oma Somebody Suma Hong, Oma Giana Hong, Oma Giana Baya Hong, Oma Anaya Obama Bazar Hong. Doda Kajo Mamu Dushi, Duashi, Esala Gobasho, Chisimo, Bao, Medo Danjason, Romosinia Chai, Kala Samo Semata, Jiju Soya, Sama, Nabani Rakine, Lamonda, Naja, Jojo,
Please attend to the teaching with proper correction of motivation. There's one to attain state of enlightenment for the well-being of all sentient beings. For that very purpose, attending to the teachings of this profound practice.
나 제리 가주 제리 내줘 주지 나니 녀다 당다 지냐 송제 세매게 내줘 리고지 달라면 내줘 라면 내줘 세매 라마 대보를 도시 세매 군대 도시 세매 군대다 제도니 교전 된저다 치다 여버든 양 제버 다는데 되르지 제도를 채요 말 수수 뭐가 야고 제나 전럽 침몰이 뭐가 마신 제부터네 전럽 용고 말이야.
So, out of 11 yogas, now we had the 3 sleeping yoga, the awakening yoga, yoga of tasting nectars, and the fourth one, immeasurable yoga. And within that, we have the practice of the Vajrasattva, the Vajrasattva practice. Now, that is of 2. One detailed version and the simpler, abridged. That does not matter whether we do the abridged or the detailed. Abridged or detailed in the sense of the wording, you know, there are more words. But main thing which really counts is our merba, our regard. That unless we have a strong regard or respect, it does not matter. It wouldn't mean anything whether we say our long verses or anything. Whereas if we have the proper required respect and regard, that's what it counts. So here it is the shorter version or abridged one. So here it is very convenient as it starts with on the corner one said on a lotus and moon seat are the Vajrasattva father and mother, you know, are white in color as it says.
내가 저루 신제 걸어 맞아버려. 맞아야 돼. 저루 신제 거는 지체사래. 되게 찜마예베 안에 배저루 신제 요요 맞아네. 군조선을 개개를 하버도 있으면 세도도 있으면 저루체 저송권도 이마 상동은 저루 대가리.
So now you can visualize the on the corner you had a lotus and moon disk which does come forth from the syllable pam and which you may not visualize. So you can visualize just the lotus and the moon seed, and here we don't need to do the taking of refuge and generation of bodhicitta because that we have done already. So please try to carry that with a touch of the same strength of the having taken refuge and strong faith or the trust in the three jewel, and also sense of the bodhicitta, that without letting it go, just try to maintain the stream of that all along, and also with strong trust in the bodhisattva, we should begin with this practice. So, so it is just right above your head and not really touching. Okay. Now the way you visualize it like that is just like the projection of the images on the screen. That's a real good example of how we instantaneously arise oneself in the form of deity, or how we instantaneously generate our deity. You know, like on screen there's nothing, and instantaneously you project the light, and there comes lots of images, and we change back and forth. In the same way, instantaneously you project the deity right on the crown of your head. That's a real good example for how we project or generate the deity or oneself in the form of deity.
Rāngi chīgō pēntē tēnlā dōjī sīmbā yōyōng sō nōma tēmbē kōtī, nōma kōrīng chēni tēng kōrī. Pēndā dōjī sīmbā lō kōrī tē, chō yōyā tē lā bē, kēchī chī lā bē, yōng sū tsō kā bē, chātham tē kā chō bē mī bā chē. Pē māndā wē tēn dōjī sīmbā yōyōng, wā tā kēntē chī chō ndō tā nī yōyōng kōntō kāribō, shē chī chāñi dōjī tāng chitō nzē bā, yō dōjī chibō, yōng kā chibō tō tōba nzē bā, pēnsō chē bā.
So,
용 배매 지중 아니 여 차자 주 용차자 녜제 뭐 어디 너 산디지 송 제다를 매봐 hir가 여용이 거수 차자 주다 차자 녜제 뭐도 더 버려.
So, though in the prayer, as it goes, that on the crown of my head, on a lotus and moon seat are the Vajrasattva father and mother in a sequence, right? But when we project, when we envision, just instantaneously on a lotus and moon disk are seated Vajrasattva, one face, two arms holding bell and Vajra, embraced with concerts. They're holding a skull cup and curved knife, and they're both white in color, and father with the 6 ornaments and of mudra, and mother with 5 ornaments of mudra. Okay, the addition which you find in this practice of the Heruka is the both father and mother adorned with mudra of the 6 mudra and mother with 5 mudra. That is not, you won't find that in the Guhasamaja and Yamantaka Vajrasattva practices. This is an addition here in the Heruka. So, the father in was a cross-legged position, and mother in a lotus position, that where they are seated. And at the center of the heart of the father, or the Vajrasattva, we have a moon disk, which is white in color, and at the center of that moon disk is a syllable Hu, which is again white, and circled by the 100-syllable mantra, or the Om Heruka Samaya, that mantra, circling again that white in color.
And
dripping the stream of the white nectar and entering right through the crown and perjure oneself. And that kind of mikvah or the visualization one has to maintain during the practice. So we have to purify all the diseases done as the obstacles and negativities and obscurations, and one of them are thus purified. So, as it says that cleansing all my, cleansing all sicknesses, evil spirits, and black karmic debts and obstacles and so on, or obstacles or obscuration. that at this point that we might feel as we are in former Vajrayogini, again, our mind might work against us and think, how our Vajrayogini could have the negativities and sickness and so on. So don't release on your clarity, that clarity of yourself in an aspect of divinity, but to release some of your divine arrogance or the divine pride, that don't try not to think of being Buddha or the divine pride, but maintain the clarity of yourself as Vajrayogini.
다 디스카보 보고리데 디스카마 팅송 보데 초거리 베나 딘조 나데 여가 딘조 되라 주루지 딘조 상에 두탑 나라 디스 가마 팅송 요리
So,
루타 무루 되죠 단데 루타 카시 요리 카시 나 가마 팅송 거나라 카시나 디스카보 니 가보 제야데 디리 정 조치 셰벨레 이사 가보 제데 요리
so
도지스마다 시정원라 그래 강가 두주 요리
I hear that, as it says, the cascades of the nectar, white in color, we receive and cleanses all our negativities, sickness, and evil spirits, and obstacles, and so on. But we may receive also the nectars which are white, red, and dark blue in color. We can do that because accordance with the 5 deity Vajagandipa, Heruka, that all those 3 colors are allowed. So one can do the reception of all 3 colored nectars and doing cleansing of negativities and so on. And also in other texts called Murup Terzu and so on, that we may choose to have all 3 colored nectars. The reason why we choose just white here is because our main focus is for the pacification of the sickness, illness, sickness and evil spirits and obstacles and obscuration. That because of that reason we choose to just have one color, white. Otherwise, with help of the Vajrasattva practice, one can do all 4 actions of the purification, increasing, empowerment, and wrathful ones, and as well.
다 디리 정야 디리 디세다 거리 좋나 네 디리 네 세다야 될 라운드죠 뭐나고 관심 뭐네 디세다 뭐나 저거나 걔는 저거나 세다 바바가 나세는 바바 참 세다 가가 요는 나세 대다 대여버데 롱이나 집어있는 배경이나 내 들라 내리 시자서 여서 롱지 배경 손투요 내 나서 가리 이버데 다내 대다 들라 배차도 추세도 어디네게 넘어친도 네 나도 차도 된데게 넘어친도 여대be 수도지
So,
너시야 너버리 너버 내가 이거 너버들 길이 동사 저주 너리 손자 주주 근데 여기서 띵도 사 오든 띵도 사다 죽으러 오든 로다 사다 받은 전다 제공 되게 너버 너버 류를 쇼디 여버 고반나라 소차게 나버친 성동 거리 띵오 바순 그 되게 강이버데 먹고 디바라냐도 드르게 소르고 배바게 소르고 다시 그소르고 미부 그서 미부세야지 다 먼저 깨까면 신지 말아 미바잘리 정말 미바잘리 쓰그리 그래는 가르쳐 그래 삼바기리사로 총어도 지문이 고서로 들려서부터 근데 강다르면 물어보던데 어다 무슨 일로 들리기만 남아지 고반할 살도 되는데 동바르고 디바라서로 들리기 살도
So that when we do the purifications of the pacification of the sickness and evil spirit here meant there, for instance, never, which means any harms inflicting on us, and agents which inflict harm upon us. Okay, that's what we meant here. Evil spirit, they are harm-inflicting agents. So thus, their sickness. For instance, if we have trouble with lots of headache, or if we have the pain elsewhere in the parts of our body, if we have a very bad bowel and so on. Just visualize that on that very spot, like in form of the, like either blood or like a white pus or the white discharge and so on. Just visualize them, and by touch of nectar, just cleansing every one of them. Any area where you have the pain, just visualize at that place and try to focus on that, and that being washed away by the nectar and dissolving it. And for instance, all the diseases like flame, bile, and wind, and so on, as they are three root disease from where all the 404 other branch disease come forth. They try to get every one of them pacified, to visualize in form of the blood, white fluid discharge, or the pus, and so on, and also the harm-inflicting agents. Like for instance, there are 80,000 harm-inflicting agents, or the 360 maras, and so on, or the inflicting agent of the Rahula from the planetary, and so on, or the harms we receive from underneath, or the harms we receive within the planet itself, from around us, like Zen and Gyalpo. These are the name of few harm-inflicting agents, right? That every one of them one can visualize inside in the form of the dreadful animals, like for instance, like the scorpion, lizard, scorpions and lizards, and snake, and that kind of animal inside, and by the reception of nectar and touch of them and purifying them.
다 디지스야 되라 데바다 드바니르 장주도 뭐마셔는 아니 장당 신고 말이 디지 뭐신고 디지 뭐마셔는 저바에 요노 가보 말이 디지스야 돼 데바다 드바니기나 데바데다 아다 데바데레 나시잖아 데바다 동원이르 동원스야 돼 도마손당 게베 제바 접치슈들이 말아서 상하고 도바케레 장신고 도바케레 가셰게 년년에 케레 수터 가셔님이 러드 좋아체 게슬롱 도마데 요레 어디네 도마당 게베 니바 도마 강이 버데 도마레 데바 치그레 다데 마임베 도마 메켄 수이나 다 도마 메켄 요마레 가서 강가로 도데레 도마 메켄 수이나 디버레 디버시아데 소체 고마고 자준셰바 로인셰바 참마셰바 세아로 드네레 야
So now next comes like the, for instance, translated here as black karmic debts, but are all the negativities, the word digpa or the papa, that or the negativities, and it is of two kinds: the non-virtuous activities or non-virtuous acts, and second are downfalls. The downfalls are the transgression of our pledges or our commitments, and those are heavier than our regular negativities. That downfalls. So that downfalls happen with the people who have made commitments, taken commitments and vows. So since every one of us here have taken the Bodhicitta vows, tantric vows, and some might have taken the lay vows, 5 upasika vows, or even the higher vows, and so on. So if we have transgressed any of our vows, those are heavier than the other negativities, so which we call a tunga or the downfalls, right? Transgression or downfall are in the actual committing of those which we are not supposed to do. So, and since everyone present here, none of us are without vows. We all have the vows which we are pledged to keep. And those are really heavy, so we need to purify them. And whereas negativities in general, those are, for instance, killing, killing, stealing, sexual misconduct, telling lie, creating slander, and using decisive words, and so on. So all those, in short, let's say, the 10 negative actions, and so on. Those are the negativities, or the, as it says, black karmic debts or negativities.
다 데바다 데바다 녀무 도송 데바텔라 녀지 시지 니요 녀무베 데바달라 자외 녀무바 주 녀 녀무바 니슈 자녀 주세야데 려샤 시당 데모 나제 대송 다와 어드네요 두수 방고도 다 수수 마셔마 강이네 나제 어세나 아다 나제 초 쳐바 쓰바 남신세야도 드레게 수수 녀무바베 녀무게 심까 이 바디 디바레 다 디바 녀무 뭔지 그런 게 실시로 버티게 그 님이 그이대바 배우서 마주네 그베 사제자베 지르고 배나 너셰지 나리야 알리도 뭐 어디지로 그치다
So the Tiba, or the Tiba, that is the what veil, we can say, veil or the obscuration, okay? Obscurations or obstacles, as it in the sadhana, obstacle, veils, or the obscuration. That it is of two kinds, that delusive obscuration and non-delusive. For instance, like the delusive obscurations, there are 6 root defiling mental attitudes, 20 secondary defiling secondary mental attitudes, and so on. For instance, those 6, like the longing desire, then the hatred, close-mindedness, arrogance, the doubts or indecisive wavering, and the wrong views, and so on. And also, like the 20 others are the like miserliness, the anger, holding grudge, and so on. Obscurations. Whereas non-delusives are the, say, like container, even though that does not have that, but it has the, because of formal containing of, keeping of such a substance inside, it leaves a latency inside, like a dormant, in the form of dormant, and those are non-delusive obscurations. So, or the obscuration here, like for instance, that if you put like the garlic in a container, even though we remove the garlic, that still that container will smell the garlic afterwards. And those are the what we call pakcha, or the seed, or the in the form of dormant, that it smells. And that too is the tiba, or the obscuration, or the veil. Then we have had just now we had a list of accounts of all these negativities, and we might feel that it looks so substantial. Where could I ever have it in my such a small sized body? That where could I have it? That it is now. That, for instance, if you are just about to kill something, at that time it is apparent, right? It is apparent, but once that act is completed, that it goes back as the informal dormant, or the nuba, or the dormant, or the seed, we may call, and which could bear the result of the same kind in near future. They all and lay in form of dormant or seed.
코르 조용도 것도 공동건 지로요. 맞아 하고도와 코르 조용도 줄라마 주지용도와 다 코다바 되고 말어. 코바 예도 그래. 공동 예네 계속 더 봐 말이. 거의 니바데 돼요. 바샤리.
So
돼요.
when we get angry, that we become almost just bursting out in the form of anger. There's no other room than anger itself. But once it has been calmed down, then have we gained a permanent relief from the anger? No, because even though it has left us temporarily, but each seed or the latency remains inside us in the form of dormant. It is still there inside. So when we are focusing our whole attention on the recitation of the Vajrasattva practice, of course that moment, since we are so dedicated with the practice of the Vajrasattva, we do not have the manifesting or the apparently appearing, the three persons delusions, anger, desire, and so on, though we may not have it, but it doesn't mean that we have a freedom from them. No, they are still there inside us, and thus that they are the agents which bring the bad consequences or the effect in our future lives. So unless we do something with it and try to remove them, that they are the ones which brings the bad effect on us.
That is the salon, Jongoya, Pena, Koa, Cindilla, Samani, Sunshade, the Kondo Gazechi, the Shakazechi, Shidang Gazechi, Timo Gazechi, Deva Gazesai, Trangatea, the Monson Toya Yomai. Today, in it, your Toma Mava, make it to the Samama, Deva Migo, Casesai. That is a hard thing around the Domasun Kalen Sane, Domasun and gave Jeva, Raji Kanamato, Tantonaka, Jeva Kanamato, they don't part of Meva, Nakala Mashun, the Chesar, that he divided Devon is 7 members in Judeo in the Telebe Sanloton Bear. They don't Kangala Rami Hingalebe, Napumi, Sheyoba, Nenasa Kangalo, what are the Tagistan Najigi, Tada, Nada, Chuseda, Tiregbe, Nataso. Dungi Kangalo, Sochagan Navache. Diva the Driva Miguel Samalo, Tukuta Suko, to a quarter, Sule quarter, where Naza quarter, which is Namu, which is Napumi, you have a Mivache. That is the point in the Tijama Jangwar.
So now we need to cleanse ourselves from these things, right? Like we can just, if we make an inventory, that how much we have, even in our sleep state, that how many times we have a very strong longing desires, hatred, closed-mindedness, anger, and so on. It becomes just uncountable, the incalculable number of times that happens, even during a short period of sleep. And then, if that many can happen even in such a state, then if we just go back and count how many times we could have done same thing since the beginningless time, then there's no doubt that we have a very, very large amount of them inside us. And like the involvement in 10 non-virtuous activities, 5 heinous crimes, and our transgression of 3 vows, and our transgression of the natural non-virtuous involvement in the non-virtuous activities, and involvement in the downfalls, and so on. So every one of them, now we need to visualize that, reviewing on them, visualize them in the form of the charcoal fluid or the smoke colored at center of one's heart. And all illness, as I told you earlier, in the form of blood or the pus at the places where we have the pains and the problem, and those harm-inflicting agents in the form of creature, that we can visualize them inside us, then those are the ones we should try to remove or to the practice of the Vajrasattva.
다 디제 장배 고도 랑치고 마임베 시젠 탐지게 디제 메바 제고 너바 침부 뱀바 침부 수나 침부 소터요.
So when we do the mikvah or the focal visualization of the purifying our negativities and obscurations, that we shouldn't do it just for the personally, but we should also try to include all for the all sentient beings, and that becomes very worthwhile. We earn lots of merits and beneficial.
너바 징거 자체에 소나티 구바 이죠. 너지 니부 징거 주기 치레. 산제 건지 고강에 배간다 너지 주부 징제 버셔야 돼. 너지 스미 군데 너 데바 다야게 배 나자 건가 너지 니부 징나 송요. 제가 너바 징거 자체에 쓰도 아니 수수 정주 수캔되고 밤은 빙자되고 로마도 되게 정주 나로 나승에 배 치료 승연되고 네가 정으로 승연되고 좀 수수 니가도 자네 치 버셔 정야되고 버셔 밑에 쳐 정야되고 내 나서 정야 미번양도 제고래. 당만서 대례라서 신신 탐지게 네가 정 보면 돼.
So
해봐치 그래.
this we refer directly to the text named Dojinyibujen. That in that text it tells us that this technique of purifying our negativities, therefore especially for instance that someone has approached you to help for the pacification of their sickness, to relieve of pain, or to relieve of anxiety and so on, or their pressing problem, then you can visualize them at the center of your heart and focusing on them and their problem. And when you do the received nectar, try to think that that problem or the sickness and anything which is on their way of life, enriching their life, is cleansed. So not only them, we should try to include all number of sentient beings and do those practices for them as well, visualizing at the center of our heart.
단 너바 니가 자체해야 돼. 도가 너의 친구들도 신체 다시 자 도고 말이. 제가 전에 레디 딱 되어 전에 들이 매 뒤뒤셔고요. 다답디 말아서 간도 제부 도고요. 말 미가 제부 도고요. 말에 딱 내가 뇨와지기 팬이 치어지 고고요. 양이
So in accordance with the text as we have referred, that to have them on the moon disk at the center of our heart and visualize, of course we will not be able to adjust all number of sentient beings on that small moon disk. But what we need is, as we can't do a longer version of practices and so on, what we need is something which is very convenient but very effective. So I'm trying to explain you in the most effective and simple way of doing that.
대사람 너지 나좀 셰지 찬이여와 되게 요르도 네가 홍 까르부지세다.
So since now you have earlier visualized yourself in the form of the Vajrayogini, white, red in color, at the center of your heart you have a moon disk, right?
네가 홍 까부데 옷에 나게 터져 봐주니면 나가 가서 옷에 파주.
So on Hung, white in color, and from there you radiate the white light that extending to the everywhere wherever the space extends.
옷에 파주 세제 탐지의 보 세제 탐지의 내 디지 바샤단 잡아 참말로베 나무 뭐가 나베 소 때문에 홍이 코랄 때문에 소서 홍이 가르보텔 베다 디지게 나본 거네 나무 차송 삼바지고.
So do you send forth all the white light from the generated from that sliver hung which goes towards all 10 directions, wherever there's space, and touches the all sentient beings, and it absorbs all the negativities and sufferings and sickness of the sentient beings, their obscuration, and in the form of black light, in the form of black color, and they all come back and absorb back to their slave little home, and it turns its color like black. It turns that slave little home blackish in color.
Tene ijen debe kodo doji semba yoyong togani yoyong inja gogo mari doji semba rangi togala dewe jigo martin yosa telma duzi boyone duzi omen doji karbo boyne da pechane yoba kore duzi kabi jumbo ne de diri thaji jangba juru se no ne ra de diri jiwo ma shu rangi ngol ma shu de ma ja yin ma jiwo de ma je ne de diri samala ma be de yon be shu chimbu ji ma de yon ne de ne be wo go ni da ba be boga da 배 니가다 때와다 카다 나다 가와 인산바 더는 애들이 오군이다 법이 뭐가 상만와 더네 난도를 놀러 쳐봐 더는 사월만 주는 왜 미워져 그래.
And then as you start saying the mantra, then you try to receive the milky colored stream of the nectar from the Father, or the light Vajrasattva, that then from his heart you receive the nectar, and then it goes through the crown of your head, and then it fills your entire body, and through the hair pores of your skin, and through the two openings, and from your nostrils and mouth, the discharges, the black discharges come out, and they just sink underneath the soil and just below you.
수술에 내나 산도 요나 고대 요 괜히나 뒤지 보는데 아니 마셔 고도 베디 장배 미바 야부지 고가 나사디베 타다 나도 추세게 나바지라 베 마대 요네 마마마 대베 미바지 나사 가바요데 미바 베 체대게 지기나 나사도 시라 뱀부요리 도스 마제네 장 장네데는 강가 사와를 치네 류 당세 의지라니 시담 시공 야치어다고 시고 고무 신도도了시도도 치로的야매바 치다 동자는 나로 시당마리 치세 능세요리 다가 나자랑 류드베 디리 바샤던 제바 타제 다네 치세 능세 시나신 차송은 삼 베지지 분순소바 순나다 와탄다데 어디내로 지 줄송 삼을 지버리.
So if you have the bad headache and so on, they just especially give a special attention and focus of your visualization on that very area, and try to think that that very illness which presses is cured by the reception of the nectar, and with a special focus on that will be very helpful. And try to think that all the negativities and obscurations and their seeds and so on are cleansed, just as a crystal ball which is stained from outside is cleaned when you clean that and polish it from out, as it looks transparent. In the same way, because of that, your whole body turns transparent, clean, like a just polished crystal ball which is soiled from outside, as inside as it has been a ball, there's nothing. So just it looks transparent, clean, and all one's longevity and merits and everything increases. And if you could carry on such a visualization, can be extremely helpful.
두즈다 냥도 의세고 두즈 의세 지바 지오도 쉐고 지마 쇼용도 이 랑도 고바나라 여베 네 데리 바자 사마로베 자원네 매바 가르손 참여도 왜 나송사 매버리서 사바제 되게 투버리.
So along with the stream of nectar, you may also receive the lights, and that cleanses all the negativities and obscuration with the seed, either you choose to ooze them out from your opening and entering into the soil beneath you, or you can just visualize they are just dispelled, they are just destroyed on their spot, and they disappears instantaneously by the very touch of the nectar and light. They just disappear inside.
홍대에서 미바지 되게 지그래 추 침부 또 침부요. 배나 먼저 나고 매로도 나고 제자니 머리베고도 로드 바네 감바네 바다가 촉스그려. 로드 바요하다 뭐가들라로래. 너로 나고도 실로바 터바 말에 고기 보는 터주고 말에 걸어서 다가는 거 매버린 그래. 내가 나중에 내리네 뒤져서 집어들래 용하다 그 매버린 거래. 되게 미바지는 홍대에 매버리. 내가 침부요.
So instant destruction on the spot that can be done. Like for instance, when you flip on the switch light, the darkness is destroyed on the spot. If we question whether the darkness has gone, there's no answer. It simply is destroyed by light instantly in that room. There's light next moment. In the same way, darkness inside is instantly like the light upon a switch destroy the darkness. Is same way, same fashion, it destroyed the everything. That all those negativities instantly they are lost and destroyed.
야나 되게세요. 사월만주 난두르 사월마 살베 토바마바만주 사리마 등고라. 리바 등고 사월라 신지치다 신지. 랑고 고유 데켄지게 랑도 소드 사고 오삼네 카다온치 대요마치 강가로 그 카다로치 줄도 고베 신다위치 저거 자타치 몸신 심네 아니 카마존 예대서 무사마르치는 치루르기요.
So or you can if you do the receiving of nectar and chasing those negativities through your openings and going through the soil underneath, just below as many as 7 layers of the earth, and where just at the bottom, the load of death, with the mouth open, and all those darkness just goes right inside his mouth, and which fully satisfied that him, and he really enjoyed the delicacy, and he is fully satisfied, and third thing, he went to bed, he sleeps. And that becomes one of the best way for the increasing of your longevity. If you carry on this practice in such a manner that you will be able to purify lots of the quantities of negativities, and how effective that becomes. How the size of the negativities one will be able to purify depends on the strength of your four opponent power which you apply at this time. So when we say four opponent power, the first two are the taking of the refuge and generation of the bodhicitta.
정도 신체 가산 셰바 나제를 뒤전 라브린체 로중체 정도 야보 공 심지 야보 공요는 네고를 정도 만드는 엔지로 용고요. 제가 네고라 로지스베 정도 송면도 와 저가 되용도 저도 신체 돈을 좀 여래 심도 여대 버려. So 신체 된지 또지야.
The taking of the refuge and generation of bodhicitta is the power of the object. The first one. Here in this abridged version of this practice, you don't see a separate section for taking of bodhicitta and taking refuge and generation of bodhicitta, because we already did earlier, and we have to carry that through up to here by ourselves. Maintain that.
이제도는다 만는다 하가른다 이담께 가다 산디지송도는다 처로는다 스페셜로는다 가른다 있는 데가 가르던데 하가르던다 녀건주리 고신는다
So, whatever practices we do, that becomes our second power. That is power nyambukunju. That is the direct, direct verbalization of the opposing power, opposing agent, direct implementation of the opposing agent. So, for instance, like the recitation of the sadhana of the three great deities, or you recite the text, or you make the stupas, if you paint the or write scriptures, or meditate on emptiness, and so on, every one of them becomes an opposing agent for that negativity. Anything we do to counteract that negativity. So, so third is never to repeat that negativity, power not to repeat that negativity, or which other way of saying is our regret and our resolution not to repeat that action, not to repeat that action. So that is the one of the most important part of the four opponent power, because that our resolution not to repeat it is the one most forceful. Otherwise, if we tend to have that one might repeat, that does not quite help much. So, the to be able to say to oneself that I will never repeat this for my entire life, that becomes too much of a commitment. They're asking too much for oneself. It is hard, we do realize it. But what we should try to do is that if for the best, may I never have to do it, but at least for this year, please, that I may not be able to do that. And especially this very month, and especially for this very day, that may I not have to do that. May I never repeat it. And if we could do with that kind of attitude, that is the best, and that is the special teaching which we have received as transmission or instruction from our venerable gurus. So, the third power, that is our resolution not to repeat, right? The fourth is the sincere regret. So our resolution to not to repeat is comes secondary to our sincere regret. They are more like causal and results. That unless we have a strong regret, sense of regret for the negativities we have committed, our sincere resolution not to repeat wouldn't be too strong. So thus our sincere regret also should be worked on.
Chenche Chizu Meje Mema Samba de Chentugumari, Kasan Chizu Melam Garo Chunsa, Tando in a Tish Summer Yamato, Tele Diva Yoga Joba Mana, Chizu Mema Samba Yamada, Teza, Diva Nimi de Shangwari.
So, Like for instance, if we got a chance to say something real nasty to someone yesterday to whom we don't quite like very much, then today we might feel that I really had a good chance yesterday, right? I really made him speechless, and I really had a good chance, and I will do the same if I get a good opportunity. I'll just wait for that. And then there's more chances that we will rejoice for what we did yesterday, and we're not at all prepared not to do that, but instead we're waiting for a good opportunity to repeat it if we are provided we have an opportunity, right? In that case, that negativity, instead of lessening, it doubles, and it just keeps growing at a very fast rate. So thus, that in order to have a sincere regret, we must understand the disadvantages or demerits of the negativities. So,
Ali soju cha na soju ge na me nyawa na lu re se pa do me ba de nin do me pa do me ba nya ha na shi ji lo ku thai ba tu chi de yo re ti ni ya din lu chi so ne din lu chi so ne de lu chi ya de gyo ye me chi bur da ka ba chi ji lo ko nge me di ju tu ji bo sing yen di ge chi tun do chi wu ne ma mu ji wu ju tu le ni yo re che bo ji tu ge
so
nyo ji tu si re nyo ji tu
so like the one single harsh word, what a result, bad result it could bring upon us. For instance, just speaking a word cow to somebody, that there happened that that somebody had to be practically born cow for his whole lives until he finally managed to get the arathship, that he was practically born in the role of being in the form of cow and so on. So, of course, the direct maturation result of saying the cow, he could have ended in the hell. But beside that he was born as cow several times and so on. Now let's take the example of killing. Is maturation of killing, the maturation which is the immediate and most painful result, that is in the hell, but even after the having exhaustion of that maturation result, but the second kind of result, that's called the similar to the cause, result similar to the cause. Even if one were born as human, that one faces a short life, loss of pain, sickness, and so on, which results similar to the cause, that is of two kinds, in action and in experience. So this kind is experience. So one faces lots of the pains, illness, and so on. It is similar to as a principal amount of loan we pay, that is, he paid in the hell. But interest, as like interest, then still follows him.
tenega saluton teni dibame gol joba chimba achita joba yabo shirajun dabe joba chimba chona joba meje same donsin shugu yungre.
So that even if one were born as human, one experiences lots of sickness and short life and so on. That is result similar to the experience because one has inflicted that on others, right? But second one, the result similar to the cause in the terms of the action. Because of one's involvement in the act of killing, that habit one has inherited, that one still maintains a habit of the fondness in killing, which is even more vicious because it keeps on that fondness in killing, and one kills and again bears same kind of the problem, right, for oneself. So thus, realizing these results, then one should try to have a very sincere regrets for all those incalculable number of negativities we have created. And if we have a sincere regret for the negativities we have done, then our sincere resolution not to repeat will follow.
That deva genane gema sabe sera gama su sabe deva be nakal mission but the yorite ne khasabra ayo hamare name da me ngurba ko redi yende koma chewa tega chege digma ngaranzo gongja chawru zenshe ni chikche de meta chewa meta bare gong kare gong ne be gongi toba jela mije ade tela ne kenge deva de sindel sabe deva do yor.
So of course, we have incalculable amount of negativities we have collected since beginner's time, but they are not that pressing of a problem in terms of blocking our realizations and insight in this life. In terms of the blocking on a way of attaining higher realizations and insight is the negativities which we create in this life, that they are the more pressing and they block, they hinder the most. So there are realizations, for instance, on the contemplation on impermanence and so on. If that does not come, that is because of negativities, mostly negativities we create in this life, and especially negativities of transgression of the three vows, in the three kinds of vows, they are the even more negative. So amongst the transgression of our commitments of the Pratimoksha, Bodhicitta, and Tantric, there are transgression of the Tantric practices, transgression of Tantric commitment are the most, the worst, are the worst as far as the hindrances in terms of the blocking are receiving higher realization.
Penanganzo Palam Tobanobu, Rajung Tobanobu, Timegi, Tenechena, Sotarji Dumba, Matu Sanga Yomar Kuzula, Sanga Tajasing Dumba Yomari, Sotar Gudume Nije, Tamu Chenches, Shadung Jedi, Sotar Gudumaki, Niba the Shalaburva, or the Shadung Jetania, also Jedan Sadajun Tonuga, Tenemato, Dumbe, Nije Mashaba Deyana, Gunjane, Devutogu Yomari.
So, for instance, for attaining the Arya path or attaining the state of arhathood and so on, for them that, for instance, they may not have the tantric vows and so on, but the Pratimoksha vows they have, right? So the Pratimoksha vows are easier to restore, say, like those minor ones we're talking about, the minor wrongdoings in the transgression, that those are easy to restore. But if one has transgressed any one of them, with that transgression, if one is still living with that transgression, then one will never attain those results. That one can never attain a result if one lives with a transgression.
Pena gilong chaka trudi treki gilong medeno sungna kedewa chi redi nyama chi transi chi dan dushi rewa te chi ge be nipa chungyo re, nipa chenpo chungyo ma re. Te chungyo isa ane koran ten jeba che ne sharibuku ne la nga shu sungro shi langro re. Ane sharibuku hango bishu sung, hango bishu. Cha se sung, cha se. Chirju ji se, zo zo che. Ca sung dongo re, chirju la. Te chirju ji, ane da jirung che de sung. Den chu sung re. Chu ganga ku shingre. Shingre de ine shaba che sa chu ji sung lamsan daga sang lo me rajung to sung re. Rajung to be na ne rajung da rajung me da ni ma re le be me mango be me ndo de je ke ne de rajung be na ne be chimbo de cho do long da ba be da khong ge na ta shen be ge long bo de me le be sin jing ge de shun ze yo khong ge这年不有的，重新嘛，孙牛配备说了，新鲜的等的人嘛，这把咱的下药嘛的，常常新鲜东大子，俺家是天天这种的贵有的，我天天给这种全部来的，他们天天想吃就见的，那么多。
So, like in the life of the great bhikshu called Udayan, or the Charka in Tibetan, the Udayan, he is one of the six, he belonged to a group of 6 bhikshus. They said of 6 bhikshus, he is one of them, named as Udayan. And he had a little transgression because of the little disagreement he had with Brahmin, which he was with him. And then, but he had a lot of difficulties attaining arhathood. So he approached Shariputra, and Shariputra asked him to do the chicha, which means restoration ceremony. Restoration of the vow ceremony. So he made 3 prostrations. Shariputra told him, take off your sandals and make prostration, and now begin your restoration ceremony or the chicha. And then he made the prostration and did the restoration ceremony, and then gave the teaching. Shariputra gave the teaching. He knew whatever was taught already because he was already learning. But that time he attained arhathood, that because of the restoration he did. And then he is the one of the one of the arhats that whose benefit helps he did to the lay people is just inaccessible, you know, that even every single session for begging he goes in the town, that he hasn't left a day without helping ascension being attained or realization, higher realization. That one specially predicted for leading the lay people for these higher stages, for realizing the higher stages. And his life stories are really interesting, you know. He is one of the greatest arhats ever lived in terms of benefiting the lay community. And the story about there's another group of 17 bhikshus that who were ordained during the time of Buddha. That a group of 17, their life is very interesting, and though of course it takes time, but they are really interesting. You know, they were ordained during time of Buddha. So that group of 17, they all are young and they were ordained, and they shared one candlelight in the center, and they meditated, or they are really hardworking 17 kids, very young novice.
Ti te de nyevar kuru singen de dajoma nyevar kuru dajung tobare.
And amongst those 17, they are called Nyevar Kaur, that he attained adulthood.
Nyevanze nyevar kuru de doze be chodo longde ma dire. Ta churu de dajung toyo mare. Ina kuzu nyandu de nyandu lure. Chuge sal nyandu chimare.
So out of that 17, the Nyevar Kaur, that he is the one of the most respected, especially for his meticulousness in the Vinaya practice. And the rest of 16 they always shared, they go in group wherever they go, and for taking showers and so on, they go together.
Gilong de tabaso nyama jonga sona chona renzu chuje chobure. Ani chuje de baba nyevo ko chuje chani ya zo de kansa. Judu bude da na bu na waji bu sa chuna zemu zine de ne chuna la ba da be nga ge ge da bu da dong ge ge da bu da lambu chi da da bu de do ze juse ke bu yo be shira ge sang sang je bar chuna la ya.
So then when all 17 of them, when they were going in the riverside to take a bath, which was allowed every fortnight for them to do. So the Nyevar Kaur, he was sitting on somewhere on a dry and meditating, but whereas the rest of 16, they were having a great fun, that clapping their hands and applauding, and they were having great fun. And King Seje, the king of the Setmet, his palace is just nearby.
Seje ke travel tebada yore de so sanje ko ne yan ro travel sabatso teba shorang yo mare.
Seje, he had a great respect for the Buddha and also towards the monk community, but as far as the freshers are concerned, he does not have that much respect. But still, because of the tradition that they in India at that time, they do pay immense respect for everyone ordained. So his queen, Tingdema, but she's the one who had a very strong devotion or respect for every monks or the ordained beings. She's the one who is the mother of the King Ajastu I was talking about, who killed his father. So King Seje told his queen Tengden that now have a look at your people who are worthy of your respect, as saying, how mischievously they are behaving. So Queen replied and saying that she said that they are just little children. They will play and they will have fun, but they never cease to surprise me. And I have a story to tell that they have really two biggest surprises I have to tell about them to you. And as being children, they play. That's their nature. But two surprises I share is the first one, they were ordained bhikshu early, or should be about close to 20, every one of them. So she said that I have two biggest surprises about them, which never cease me to surprise. Like for instance, first that they gave up altogether their sexual contacts, and they have maintained celibate life, and that surprises me. And what is your another surprise? He asked. So another surprise, I will tell you if you promise you won't get angry. So second surprise is that though you are of such a aged, matured age, but you are still not turned off from the passion, and that really surprises me. Which she hinted that you are not aware of the closeness of yourself to the death, and still being very strongly interested in passion.
So when
those 16 others, as they are still not arhat, and they are just acting child and being very playful whole day, so Nyevoko, he thought, since they played a lot, could have hurt somebody's respect, and with his cleverness he checked, and he realized that it has a little bit derided the faith of the king. So not deride, so undermined the respect of the king a little bit, or lessened it. So then, knowing that, then Nyevoko addressed the others, said that now it's time to go home and time to go, so please put on your robes. So then he told them to put on their robes, and as you know that if you're taking the 1 day vow and so on, that you're not supposed to sing, and you're not supposed to do those things, and so there's a slight transgression on their part which they have done that day, so that he asked them to make prostrations, and then he said, now squat. Squat and attend the ceremony of the restoration, and after that, that was concluded, then he gave the teaching, and they meditated, and at the very that moment, they all attained the arhatship. So
Koranche, Buku Chuduje, Chudun di Kangalo, Nakala, Jabino, Jeperini, Jebi Poron told by Persore.
So then Nyawako addressed them that today there's need, so need to demonstrate your miracle. So you all are here to fly. And they all flew over the palace of the king.
Jebi me Poron Repsena season, Pichuka and Gelon Jetia, Buku to the Perion Koran to go to Perindo Isa. So much them and lower away, Surin, this is Surich. The Piggy China jumping into Surich. The Cartier somewhere, they didn't call the Piritos. And I treat them on me, chew a cable, your kai to be heard. Jamichon Sanja could not have a Pigdoa. Sanja would choose so much on Poma Joy. Sanja and I near to the Dovan and the Shata, Longman and the Shata Tesson at Poma Joy. The good chuckle did in the Shata Jewelry. Taya long with the Shata Tessari.
So, then when king saw them flying, then he addressed his queen and said that, "Oh, Tengdema, watch, who are these? And who are these?" And she said that, "Didn't you know that they are the same children who are playing in the riverside this morning?" And then he said that, "How come they're flying now, you know?" And the queen answered, of course, she is quite a little outspoken, as well as she is very learned, intelligent lady. And she said that, don't you know that because you always go to Buddha's teachings, you always attend to his teachings. Haven't you heard him saying that my disciples, when they sit down, they are with attachment. When they get up, they are detached. When they get up, they are detached. So which meant the moment they get up, they attain the arahut.
제가 내가 좀 전에 되래. 또 저를 지어라. 나라서 도마소는 게 제가 사버도야 상하고 도마던 게 제가 배 동아요나 도슈들이. 다는 저는 될 상하요 말이. 장신이 도마요 말이. 수타르고 도마 gelong래. 제가 초를 좀 집에 동아지여서 되게 봐 샤중 맞아봐라. 맞아와 인자 샤중 제주 전에 되래. 저시 내셔고야 전에 그거 되래.
The reason what I'm trying to illustrate here and lead us is that with the life of this group of 17, they had really interesting illustrations which I could tell. But the reason why I told you this is that that without purifying or without restoring that their vow, and without the confession of purification of that minor transgression, they are unable to attain that arhathood, right? Arhatship. So because of their playing around the water, which they have committed a little infraction that blocked their attainment, and which upon the restoration, they are able to attain the arhatship. In the same manner, that as long as we live with the infraction of our vows of the three vows, especially that of the Tantra, that which is the worst kind of infraction we could ever commit, then there's no way we could receive the higher realizations. So that's why, to illustrate that, I gave you this little depiction of the life of these 17.
There is any for these days, for the monks, that if one could have a sound realization of the emptiness, and with this shine, or the calm abiding concentration, the attainment of arhatship one can attain the arhathood. 레데 돈이 또디 신의 도겐소 배대중 토와라 또 샤동 제축으로 수중 제주제 대사 라렌 요리 요리데 대중 미토야 가르에서는 팀에는 누구요 말이 대범면 말로는 대중 토사는 젠데 메요 야산지 대범 침벌 수주 하장 그거 깨봐만 먹고 누구래 되네이자 전화 만전에 자주도 생기는 대범 침벌로 아도 다그 요인자 아니 뒤도 고르래
So, with the realization of the emptiness and attainment of calm abiding and so on, and through this attaining the regular ceremony of the restoration and so on, that one could attain the arhathood, but why we try to keep struggling with the, instead of we choose to have the mind path and so on, and try not to go in the arhat path, is that once we get to the arhatship, then it takes much longer to get back on the Mayan path. So that for that reason, whether it becomes hard or not, that one always try to face that and try to struggle for the attainment of full enlightenment. In general, that even though that monk could be of very young age, we should pay the same respect. So, the three illustrations are given: a young monk, a little fire, and a baby snake. A little fire, if you don't take care of that at the young, when it is small, it turns the whole forest into blades. Snake, even though that could be a baby snake, like a poisonous, then because its poison could kill the human as well as elephants. If a monk, no matter the size, whether big or small, that he has his own share of the vow in. If you don't respect that vow, then that becomes one of the worst way for ourselves to get into the hell realms and so on. So, now if we have all these transgressions and all those things, and negativities which we have committed in this life, and those becomes most pressing agent, hindrances on our way to attain higher realizations. They work much worse than the negativities which we have collected since beginner's time. That in terms of the hindering our attaining higher realizations, that all the negativities and especially transgression of any of the three vows are the worst for our attaining higher realizations. And if one does not have any of those vows, but any negativities, that blocks their attaining higher realizations. One might feel that I do my required recitations, I do my meditations and so on, but still I don't get realization. Why? Why? Because if we don't have all the right causes, if we don't have all the right causes gathered and put together, if we don't have the right causes together, then we won't have the results. So that's why we need all our right causes together to expect the results we are looking for. So if you say the longer version of the Vajrayogini Sadhana, then if you don't say the Vajrasattva section, that it does not make your practice incomplete. Or if you say like during your Heruka practice or during your Yamantaka practice, if you say it just in once a day, that's all right. It is said if you recite the 100th syllable letter 100,000 times, even the Tsatung, the root downfall of the Tantra, can be also purified. If you say 21 times each day, it will retard the multiplying power of the negativities. So that it won't multiply if you say 21 times each day. So, Vajrasattva practice, now as explained here, that it has only one type of visualization, and if you want to do the detailed version, then you can do as like either to destroy at the one spot, or just oozing them out, or destruction of them at the same spot, and so on. Or if you focus and do it properly, the single way of doing it is effective. If you are not careful or attentive, then if you even so even though you may do it for the 10 times or so on, that if you don't do it effectively, then that just wouldn't work. So if you just do it effectively, even a single visualization will be adequate or sufficient. So it is the most wonderful way of purifying our negativities and so on. And above that, if you could do the full-length prostration with the 35 confession Buddhas and so on, that is also an excellent way of purifying the negativities. And there are lots of very aged monks who would at least do it 25, that full-length prostration with 35 confession Buddha. And for us to do it every day of our life, that may be hard since we have lots of other things to do as well. But every once in a while, if we could have some time and try to do that, would be very helpful.
so sabado suna so da ji so ni suna so sabala mene ju ma ji so nya lu yungre re de ne so suna so ga on de la mene jo sombre.
So now the fifth, the Guru Yoga Sosava for the saving of the merits or for the accumulations of the merit are practiced on the Guru Yoga. So the merit or the sunam which we are going to discuss here is of two kinds. That is the punya sambar or the meritorious accumulation and accumulation of the realization. Second, the jnana sambar.
Lame nenju che goya kare sen so sa goya bi junze maran su tagi la ju de sigi ba so zo de ji shi zu de don ji gi shi zu ma che wala sa ma ga la ne ya do sa yo ma re de don ji gi shi che wala de don ge ji shi sen ge chun ye tong go re sen ge chun ye tong wala sen wo chue go re sen wo zhe xia de xin zhi dang wa yin si xia bu de ge che xie de gan zhe ge xin zhi go chue go yo ma re sen ge chun ye tong na xia bu ma bu mai ne li ge yo re zhe na ka xin cha xin chi de la ku yo re ya ma re cha xin za wa je yu xiong lam na la song yo re sen ge chun ye tong wa yang chu sa de yong la le ra le be se有的话，这个去年通话样，出啥地方拉对呗？以前不长，东夏那家下刚忙活当的，以前不提进开的，东夏当这个家下忙不等说，啊，另外了，这个去年通话的送药的，对吧？那些这种天气机会是叫了，那你以前不这个的不讲，东夏当这个家下其他啥送药的，那操啥吧？对吧？那没研究的，家下刚忙活当的。So
Guru Yoga, the Guru Yoga we have to do because, as we said, for the collection, to earn the merits, and then practice on the Guru Yoga. The reason. So, in order to, why do we do all these things is because that why do we collect merit, why do we need to collect merit is our tantric practice. Our main purpose is to receive the Dedong Henji Yishi, which is translated as pristine awareness. Anyway, wisdom of the instantaneously generated wisdom of non-duality of bliss and void. Okay, in order to receive that, now we have to see the simki chuni, the identity of the mind itself.
Simki chuni tongwayang chosa region la tebe yejian bongza dongsha ne jacha dang de gamo jas yejian bongde zende dongsha dang de cha jiang cha jerze ce jacha cha mambu ce shu song yo xixi ta de ma yo le le de le da so yejian bongza dongsha ne jacha dang de gamo dang ta mambu shi da se du le da.
So in order to find the identity of the mind, or the simki chuni, or the identity of the mind, then we have to depend that to the collection of merit by to the making like the 100,000s of the Vajrasattva recitation, and as many as possible one can, or the making full prostrations.
This one. And to so Sanje Tamjeda, Yeme Zave Lamala, Hin Sude Yangja Asia, that's also to Sonju Sanje Tamji Chik to do, Rang Zave Lamala, Hin Taban, so that the Yanyan to Chebure somebody.
And especially it says that the one guru, who is the embodiment of the Buddhas of all three times, should be invoked that with the request again and again, with the repeated request to the Guru, who is the embodiment of the Buddhas of the Tusum, or the three times.
就是三界他就到夜里面被这个了嘛，你呢是得养养家，做从啊，哦呀，那就大年生日的大把年没就的那了，送呀了，人家就没人家接，刚到养的每年都送呀，每年都。
So,
人家看的些那边，人家些的，晚上那个是带头呀，要么人家就把嘛的，让大娘的有看见的人。
So, in the text named Takni 2 investigation, or its name of authentic text, it says that the real identity of the mind, where can it be found? That one can find nowhere. One can find nowhere. It is within us. But then how we can find it or explore it? Then how we can discover that? So as discover. How can we find or discover it then? The answer says that through the obtaining the instructions from the Guru and the constant request one makes to Soadeva, or requesting for the same by oneself to the Guru and the instruction or the manga of the Lama, of the Guru, that one can discover it.
Giờ nó cái chỗ chỉ là condition này, anh sẽ bảo là bom giờ khen tao đồ nhà lên chỉ khen mang đồ, đồ bây giờ là chỉ khen mang đồ, ta càng nhiều rồi.
Adisha asked, Dromdamba asked Adisha, in Tibet we have so many who are meditating and practicing, but there are hardly any who had the realization. What could be the reason? What could be the reason? So he answered that all the majors and minor realization of the Mahayana has to be received being dependent on the Guru, whereas as you Tibetans have regard to the Guru as just being an ordinary, then how possibly they could receive such a realization? Because to receive such a realization, one should have regard to his Guru being the real Buddha, that would
Lama rangi tsawe lama di sanje da be pangto nyang yu ne da, ma nyang yi ne da, sa yu ne da, che yu ne da. Kadin sa ba re yes.
So it is said, whether one's Lama excels in terms of realizations or his abandonment of negativities, excels even that of Buddha, or his achievement is less of Buddha, it does not matter. But in terms of kindness to oneself, personal kindness he is rendered to personal oneself, that in terms of kindness he excels kindness, even that of the Buddha rendered towards us. So kindness, in terms of kindness, his kindness excel even the kindness of the old Buddhas to us. At this point, I'm giving you the points, the reason that why do we need to have the accumulation or the earned merits.
Sanje ne lonje zobe ko tsembe sezo chog drube ko jawa shaje tobe sura ko tsembe cheba tene redi mazu mi ke tungu yo mare.
that fully endowed with the major and minor signs, and Buddha with all the unique qualities of Sambhogakaya, and with major and minor signs like the great Shakyamuni Buddha, but them we have no access. Then we cannot reach them.
Lama sung na sanje ge sung de yala chuju zaji da demare song yala chuju zaji.
The speech of Buddha is with eloquence of the 64 unique qualities. But we can't hear that.
Sanje samage yusha, sanje jejume, sung tujume, sanje padume, chuju sanje tagazi chongyo orde, suchigi nazube kayachema tuba yugune, nazu lede.
But we are still left behind that almost like a patient given up by the doctors. Then who is the most kind being to us? Then there is one who has revealed to us in an ordinary form, coming at our level, and giving us all the details and all the teachings and instruction, and appearing at our own level, that he is his kindness excels. He is the most kind to us. Because we can see the Lama's form and we can hear his voice and speech. And what the words he speaks of is the words which are spoken by the Buddha without an addition or deletion from the same. But he speaks even clearer than the way it was first presented, because he speaks where it suits our mental capacity. So, that Buddha's voice or speech with the 64 unique qualities and so on, but we simply can't hear it, even though we could have heard, but we don't comprehend that. Just like the quote made by Rinpoche.
Today is a Sanje Leja Karin Chewa Yinza Te Karin Gichani So Sobe Shin Lama Chot Chuva Yinsua.
So because of these reasons, that as his kindness excels that of the Buddha, so in terms of earning the merit for us, that Guru is the best object for earning the merit at the fastest speed. So, making offering to the old Buddhas, all the old Buddhas of 3 times and so on, then making an offering to one of the attendants of the Guru, or the poor of the Guru, that becomes, that is more beneficial or more meritorious. So, illustration, if we kill our own parents or parent, that becomes a heinous crime. But if you kill somebody else, other human, that does not become a heinous crime.
Roy Yamasuva Pendo Rorin Chen, Suna Sogri, Suna Be, Suna Chatin Sogri. Rang La Pamanila Yojun, Yubech Pendo Chen, Telejam Mendoj, Sunagishin, Tamba Yinjo, Sunaju, Pendo Gishin in Sanjo.
That if we help other beings, of course we earn lots of merit because of her helping others. But if we help our own parent, that's more beneficial because that he has been a tremendous source of help towards us.
Lorna Nato Chichun Kanchi Chan, Teba Chichun Gumi to Yimbe. Moru Zawa Lama, Moru Zawa Tijan Lama, Yene Sashi Journey Metavi. Dama Dini Titan Zimbata, Tajan de the Game, Tashin shows, Kongibe, Shini Disuko, Tamje Javari. See that, Kalchiro. Norna Nato Chichun Kanchi Chan, Teba Chichun Gumi to Yins, Rangelo Toba Chichun Kadeji Chiguyana, Rangalama, Teba Chichun Gumi to you, Teba Chimun Toba Yabuchi, Teba Chichun Toba Chinju.
So, in the quotes by Gyo Wensawa, that he said, that in short or brief, that whatever the sight of the realization one receives depends on the magnitude of our conviction or the trust we have towards our Guru.
That is a senior day, Larry knowledge, Nets Hagwari, Chamwari.
To respect. So, detail about the Guru devotion, one should have already understood thoroughly or to a great extent during our teachings on the Lamrim already. And above that, but the way our Guru devotion, requirement of the Guru devotion, which we find in Lamrim teachings, that kind of Guru devotion is not adequate. We need more Guru devotion here. But kind of the Guru devotion we need here is the way it is explained in the 50 verses of the Guru devotion. The 50 verses of Guru devotion is a text by Acharya Ashwagosha which has 50 stanzas in it. So, in order to earn the merits, that the most unexcelled, the most superlative field is the Guru Yoga. So, as it comes here in the space before me, established out of the reflective appearance of the pristine awareness that is beginning there. Now, at the level of your eyebrows, there in space in front, you visualize that a huge mansion with 4 doors. So share kang or the mansion, as it says, complete mansion with 4 doorways, ornaments, and archways, and so on. That one may, if you choose, you may not have to mansion. You can just have a huge throne raised by the lions. But since it is in your sadhana or the practice, so you can, we will explain where it goes. So inside that mansion, now there is a huge throne raised by the 8 lions. So if one share or if one has a strong faith within oneself and conviction, the full conviction that one's guru is Buddha, then it is sufficient that one may not even visualize him in the form of the Buddha here. But for initial or the novice practitioner, then as it is real hard for that person to have such a strong faith in him as being the real Buddha, so it will be much better. We are much better off if we visualize him in the form of the Buddha. Accordance with one Lama, that we even talked about established the Lama Chinang Sansum, the Lama Guru, external, internal, and secret Lamas. So external or internal, it's quite difficult to comprehend. I think they meant some subtle distinction between the in form of the Vira Vajradhamma or the Buddha Dhamma. Buddha Vajradhamma. Buddha Vajradhamma. Vira Vajradhamma. Dhamma Vajradhamma. Is Vira Vajradhamma, right? Yeah, Vira Vajradhamma. Now, Vira is for the hero and Viri is for the heroine. Okay.
So the Lama Tela Lama da Karsa, Nai Karsa. Karanga Tashi so imuno, Tigung Sunal Chiori. Te Kokabuchi Lama, Yonje, some Tongo, the thing on the Suchi. Medusheme Tengi, Shaluchi, Gasan Kachu with the Lam, Muchuchi, and Lamado Chang Sinji, Kanganali Omar, the San Lamati came in. Then the Jivina, a Sanjo Church, so all this one.
So about the secret guru is not clear here either, and there is not very clear in how. So now what we can, what here as it comes here now, we can just have the Buddha Vajradhamma, gurus in the form of Buddha Vajradhamma.
Ne Lama Sanje so goya le guba karioresena, Marazule Dambola Sanje Gipete, Tegudemo Benyasola, Lama number Sanje so gonjadu. So,
as we visualize the Guru in the form of the Buddha, then they are merit or blessing becomes very substantial in quantity. And as he's by being in fact one's Guru, the blessings are nubu, which means speedy. They will receive a very speedy or the speedy blessing.
Sanje so gone lama yimba magona chelab chimbu yore rangla yugu yo mari chelab koran chelab chine rangla chelab yugu yo mari chelab sinya sanje ne ma parma che jube lama chi ni chi ju ni ju rangla zawe lama ju ne ma rangla yugu ya shire.
So blessing, if we visualize in the Buddhas there, of course blessings could be very substantial in quantity, but that does not transmit to us. That blessing does not transmit to us because we have to receive that blessing, right? That we have to receive the stream of the blessing which was channelized from the Buddha through all these gurus. So that we have to receive inside us. So, not only during our Guru Yoga practices, but whatever, any kind of our sadhanas or meditation practices we do, that we should try to visualize that deity who is our Guru in the form of that deity. Our Gurus in the form of that deity. That should be visualized. So here we will have a break, please. Sangha Shinto